Hello everyone. Today our group will present to you our non-operational prototype for this project. This group consists of 5 members, which are myself, Nur Atira Shamina binti Hud, Adila Atira binti Atim, Zarifa Zahra binti Ibrahim, Siti Atifa binti Idris, and Muhammad Hazirun bin Sawal. In this project, there are 5 entities that we're going to discuss, which are applicants, engineering manager, personnel manager, and new engineers. The first user interface design is the applicant's user interface. First, the applicants need to go to the company's main page by entering www.officialteguhpadu.com.my on the URL section. If the applicant is an old-timer user but forgot their password, then they need to click the link beside the Forget Password section. Then they will be directed to the Create a New Password page. In order to reset the password, they will need to follow the instructions given and fill in all the information needed. After that, they must click the Next button. After they have completed the process, a notification will pop out to alert them that the password has reset. The applicants must click the Return button to go back to the main page. For applicants that is a first-time user, they will need to create an account by clicking the link next to the Sign Up section. Then, they will be directed to the Sign Up page. In order to complete the Sign Up process, they must fill in the information needed and click the Sign Up button. After the process has completed, a notification will pop out to alert the user that their account has successfully created. If the user has logged into their account, they will be shown to their home page. A job alert notification will pop out to alert the user that a new job has opened. If the user wants to apply for the job, then they must click the Tab to See More section. Then they will be directed to the Job Alert section. There will be varieties of job positions that the user can apply. In order to apply for the job opening, they must click the Add button. Then, they will be directed to the application form page. Here, the user needs to fill in and upload the information needed. Then, they must click the Send Application button. A notification will pop out to alert the user that the application has been sent successfully. They must click the Return button to return to the home page. The job that they already applied to will change the Add button to Successful button. If the user has been accepted for the job interview, there will be a notification pop up. The user must click the Tab to See More section. Then, they will be directed to the interview page and will be shown the interview details. The second user interface design is the engineering manager user interface. Firstly, the user needs to log into their account. Then, the job alert page will be shown on their home page. Here, the engineering manager can update or create the job details for applicants to apply. If they want to create a job opening, then they have to click the Create Job Details button. They will be directed to the Create Job Details page. Firstly, they need to fill in the information needed on the job specifications section, then click the Save button to save the data. Then, they will be directed to the Job Description section. Here, they have to describe the job summary, responsibilities, and skills and qualifications needed. Then, they need to click the Save button. If they want to check back the information, then they can click the Preview button. If they want to post the job opening, then they need to click the Post button. A notification will pop out to ensure whether the information filled are correct or not. If no, then the user needs to click the No button. If yes, then the user needs to click the Yes button and the job opening will be successfully posted. The notification will ask whether the user wants to view the post or not, so the user can click the yes or no button. Then, there will be shown the display screen of the job details. If they want to add more information, then they need to click the back to edit button. If they have completed the job details and nothing more to add, then the user can see whether the job can be applied by the applicants or not.
Next, I will present about the Personal Manager user interface design. First, user need to log in their account and go to the application section. After comparing and deciding which application they choose, they can click to the plus button and add the application that they will consider more. It will give a feedback if the application successfully added to the list. The user can see the details of the application such as their job description, career level, qualification, year of experience, job type and specialization to compare the qualification for each application. The user can click to the next button and it will bring them to the application information. User need to enter the name and IC number of the application to see their details. The user can click save and the interview details page will. The user need to set date, time and location for the interview. Then, user can click to the save button, which will bring them to the confirmation interview details. The red text is the reminder for the user. After click the submit button, a feedback will appear to remind the user to make sure the details are all correct before submitting. After clicking yes, the other feedback will appear and user need to click on OK button. There will be an evaluating candidate page from the manager. On the application information page, the user need to click on the accept button if the application passed and so on. Next, I will present about manager user interface design. First, the user need to log into their account by entering their ID and password. On the home page, there will be an alert notification for them about their schedule. After clicking on the notification, the user will able to see their schedule. Next, manager will have to fill in the evaluating candidate page and they will decide to accept or reject the application. The next part will be the new engineer user interface design. First of all, the user also need to log into their account by entering their ID number and password. On the home page, there will be a notification if they get a job offer. They need to click on the notification button to see the details of the offer. After reading it, the user need to decide whether they accept the offer or not. After they accept the offer, they need to click on the next button. They will be given a non-disclosure agreement file and instruction about it. Then they need to download the file and print the agreement. That's all from us. Thank you.